Day 9, living with uncertainty. So your safety moment for today. If uncertainty brings on panic attacks, severe anxiety, or obsessive checking stroke rituals, you may need tailored treatment like CBT or other therapies. This exercise is a general skill, not a replacement for treatment. So well-being preparation for today. Name one thing in your life that is uncertain right now. Notice where you feel that in your body. Breathe slowly into that area for a few breaths. Your daily activity is what's the worst stroke best stroke realistic. Pick one worry you keep looping on. Write down worst case scenario my brain imagines. Unrealistically best case fantasy. Most realistic scenario based on evidence. Then ask, what would I do if the worst happened? One or two actions, write them down. What can I do today that would help regardless of which outcome I get? Write it down. So to close day 9, I can't control the future, but I can choose how I face uncertainty today. So be gentle, be kind to yourself. Make sure you eat and that you drink plenty and hydrate and get some rest. And we'll see you in day 10.